The F-16A, B Block 15 OCU is a version of the F-16A, single-seat, and F-16B, two-seat trainer, combat, developed by General Dynamics, and later Lockheed Martin, under the Block 15 inches production batch and further improved under an OCU, Operational Capability Upgrade, program. Historically, the Block 15 designation represented the first, large-step, upgrade of the F-16A, B series, modified empennage, increased wing hardpoints, structural strengthening, larger stabilizers. Then OCU added further avionics, weapons capability, and power plant upgrades. In simple terms, the Block 15 OCU bridges the gap between early F-16As and the later C.D. models. The aircraft entered service in the late 1980s and early 1990s for those outfitted to OCU standard. The upgrades allowed operators to keep the A, B one-seat, two-seat variant viable into a more modern air combat era. For example, the Indonesian Air Force had acquired 12 units of F-16A, B Block 15 OCU under the Peace Bimasena I program in 1989/90. From a structural and design perspective, the Block 15 OCU retains the core airframe of the F-16A, B series but incorporates a number of key enhancements. The stabilizers were enlarged, 30% larger than earlier blocks, to improve control at higher angles of attack and to handle increased loads. Additional under-wing hardpoints, 2 more inboard under the intake, allowed for greater weapons pod load. The airframe has structural reinforcement to handle increased weights and stress. As one reference notes, Operational Capability Upgrade, OCU, improvement of structural capability of the wings and more powerful engine F-100PW220E. The power plant upgrade is significant. The original F-100P, W-200 and 220th series engines in earlier F-16As were replaced in many OCU units by the F-100P, W-220, or equivalent, which offered greater reliability and thrust. The increased maximum takeoff weight, MTOW, rose to approximately 17,010 kilograms, approximately equals 37,500 pounds, in some configurations. Avionics and weapons systems in the OCU upgrade are what really move the Block 15 forward. The aircraft gets an improved radar, in some cases the APG-66V2, with track-while scan capability, a radar altimeter, a wide-angle HUD head-up display, borrowed from later F-16C, D series, improved IFF identification,